When the fish is this fresh, you only need a few ingredients to bring it to perfection. Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue. Today we're making New Zealand King Ora Salmon Ceviche. We got a beautiful piece of New Zealand King Ora Salmon. The first thing that we want to do is remove the skin. Then I like to put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. We want to zest half a lime into a bowl. We also want to squeeze the juices from the lime into the bowl. We're going to add some really good extra virgin olive oil. Then we want to finely dice a jalapeno, and we want to add that to the bowl too. We also need to thinly slice about a quarter of a red onion and add to the bowl. We're going to pick some leaves of cilantro. You can't make a good ceviche without cilantro. And then we're going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. We want to slice the salmon into thin slices. Then we're going to place these slices on a plate. We're going to scoop all the other ingredients on top, spread out evenly. And then we're going to let this marinate and cook in the fridge for about 20 minutes. And look at this beautiful ceviche. All the ingredients will complement and bring out really good flavors to the salmon. And that is how I make my New Zealand King Ora Salmon Ceviche. And the only thing left is to try this. And it looks super fresh and delicious. So here we go. So easy to make, with such great flavor. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.